Welcome to Wildlife West Nature Park, home to 23 different species of New Mexico animals. The animals that live at Wildlife West are all non-releasable. That means that they cannot be re-released into the wild due to injuries they sustained, or due to the fact that they are too dependent upon humans for food. All of the species at Wildlife West are also native to New Mexico. That means that you can find each one of these animals in the wild somewhere in New Mexico. Wildlife West is also the only zoo in the world to be built and maintained entirely by youth. This is made possible by a grant from the Youth Conservation Corps.
Hi guys, welcome to Wildlife West.
Hi!
Did you guys come to see the park?
Yes, Seth.
Great, here's your map.
Alright guys, number 1, go for it. We're here at number 1.
Hey look, a white-tailed deer.
Number 2 is the golden eagle.
Morley the golden eagle was hit by a car and is blind in one eye, so he can't hunt for himself in the wild.
Dude, how many stations are there?
23. Number 6, the roadrunner.
Hey, it's the black bear.
Kashari came from Navajo Dam, where he got into trouble swimming to pontoon boats and stealing food. Kashari eats up to 53 pounds of food a day.
21, the caracaras.
Next is the elk.
Cougars, also called mountain lions, hunt by stealth, just like a house cat. They lie in wait for their prey from an unseen vantage point, and then when the prey walks by, they pounce.
Alright, next is wolves.
These are Mexican gray wolves, or lobos. They are endangered with only about 300 left in the world. This has put them under the protection of the Species Survival Plan. Every Saturday evening in the summer, Wildlife West features a wild bird show. The show is followed by a chuck wagon dinner and live entertainment.
Then there wouldn't be time for the folks to wave at me. Alright, when I stop, we always wear a great big smile, never do look so. Come on, come.
Contact the park for more information.